It's been a long, long road, but I made it. In today's episode, we're going to talk about my business journey. And after 23 years as an entrepreneur and 20 of those years being full time, do I have some jewels for you? If we are just meeting for the first time, I'm Latrice Folks Jones, your biz nurturer, helping you to take care of your business while taking care of yourself. And this is Whole Boss TV, helping female entrepreneurs have more wealth, health, and optimized living every day in their life and business. If this sounds like something that you want to rock with, then please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell below. What's up? Yes, I have had 23 years of experience in holistic living, entrepreneurship, and personal development as a plant-based chef, author, restaurateur, and online business owner. But I've had many successes, but girl, I've had many failures, breakdowns, burnouts, you name it, but I'm still here. And today, I'm going to give you the 12 most important lessons that I've learned on my business journey. I've tried to make it shorter, but we ended up here. All right, so let's get started. So number one, choose a business that also lights you up. You don't want to just pick a business because somebody say, oh, you can make some good money in this business, and it's something that you're not passionate about, that you don't really like, you don't like the people that you're serving. Because if you're in it for the long haul, at the end of the day, you need to pick something that you like. Because when times get a little bit rough, you're going to have a purpose and a why to keep going. Number two is to be yourself. It's just like in a relationship. You heard the whole old saying, oh, there's somebody for everybody. That's the same thing in business. There's somebody waiting on the message that you have to get, and they wanted to hear it from you. They want to hear it from your personality, from your experiences, from the way that you present it. So just be yourself. Somebody wants to see it. Number three, be in service, a problem solver. If you're in business, that's your main priority, is to help your customers, clients solve their problems, okay? Make their life easier, make them be able to get to their solution easier, faster, and more efficiently. That is your purpose. If you focus on service and focus on solving problems, you are going to be ahead of the game. Number four, clarity and a good plan will save you a lot of headaches. Can I say that again? Clarity and a good plan is going to save you a lot of headaches. If you know who you are, what you want, who your ideal client is, what their problems are, what services and products that you want to offer, there's a lot of things that you need to know. But the more clarity that you have around that, then the more, the less that you're going to be going around in circles, and you'll be able to get to the things that really matter in your business. So even though you want to have a solid plan, number five is to remain flexible, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of monkey wrenches thrown in your plan on this entrepreneur path, okay? So the more that you can shift and be flexible, the more on top of your game that you're going to be. Number six is done is better than perfect. I know about, perfectionism keeping me from putting things out into the world. This first video, for example, but just get it out there, just getting it done. It doesn't have to be perfect, getting it out there so that you can help the people that you need to help. If you never put it out there, you'll never get there. So that leads me to the next thing on the list. Number seven, start before you're ready. Okay, because you're never, ever going to really be ready to just go into business. Okay, you can get as much preparation, planning as you can, but go ahead and get started before you're even ready. Start researching, start talking to your ideal clients, start posting on social media, just start making moves, getting clarity, whatever it is, because the more that you take steps, the more momentum that you're going to get so that you can get to the finish line. Number eight, focus on one thing at a time. Yes, focus on one thing at a time. I have made this mistake in the past, and I know many entrepreneurs that try to do everything and try to do everything at one time. You see somebody who has a lot of different things going on. They may have been in business 20, 15, 10 years. You just getting started and you're trying to do all the things. Do one thing at a time and master it. It's going to make your life so much easier. It's going to be less overwhelmed, and it's going to help you to really put a stake in the ground. Number nine, is have multiple streams of income, including passive income. Yeah. I know I just said, focus on one thing at a time. Yes, focus on one thing at a time. But once you create stuff, maybe do it a couple of times, move on to the next thing, because you want to have multiple streams of income in your business. You don't want your income coming from just one place. And you want several of those streams to be either passive or residual, that you don't have to be there for the money to come in. Number 10, automate as much as possible, but keep your personal touch. Yes, in order to have a lot of things going on in your business, especially if you're a solopreneur, it's just you, or if you only have a VA or a small team, as much as you can automate things, automate your scheduling, automate your sales system, is going to save you a lot of headaches and overwhelm, okay? So once you set up the system one time, then things can move smoothly. But I say that to say, you also need to keep a personal touch in your business. People want to be able to ask questions. People want to hear from you. They want to see you and things like that. It's important. So automate as much as possible, but still stay in your business. Number 11 is stay on top of your finances. I can't stress to you how important that is. Keep your eyes on the money, okay? You want to have analytics in place. You want to have an accounting software set up. Even if you can't afford like a bookkeeper or accountant starting off, make sure that you have an accountant system set in place. Wave app is good. It's free. And keep your business and personal separate as possible is going to make it so much easier by the end of the year. You want to know what's coming in, what's going out. Try to start as streamlined as possible. Don't get a bunch of stuff that you don't need, spending a bunch of money, getting loans, using a lot of credit. Try to stay as close to streamline as possible. And finally, number 12, make time for self-care. This is by nowhere the last thing. Burnout is real. And if you take care of yourself so that you can have the energy and the clarity to actually do the other things in your business and not burn out in the end, then you are going to be, you're going to thank me for this later. So I know, because I've experienced burnout, and I thought that, I'll be okay. Let me make sure everybody else and everything else is fine. But take care of you. Put it into a morning routine, that you do daily, that you're taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical health every day, so that, when you get all of this money that's coming into your business, that you can truly enjoy it. That's it. Those are my 12 tips to help you along on your business journey that I have learned from being an entrepreneur for over 23 years in this game, triple OG. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. And if you're ready for more clarity in your business and to set it up to have more time, energy, and profit, then download my free biz starter kit at wholeboss.com/starter kit. The link is also in the description below. Let me know in the comments below how long you've been in business. Are you a newbie? Are you an OG? And what have you learned thus far on your business journey? I would love to hear from you. Last thoughts. Enjoy every part of the journey. You are right where you are supposed to be. And until next time, peace.